afternoon, wonderful people. My name is Kirk Francois, and you're tuned into Kirk Knows PV Real Estate and Lifestyle, where I help Canadians and Americans buy, sell, and live better in Puerto Vallarta. Today, we're in the amazing neighborhood of the Marina. We're going to take a property tour here at V Marina. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath condo, which measures 188 square meters, which is roughly 2,021 square feet. The asking price is $885,000 USD. Sitting here on the rooftop in this midst of this heat. Anyway, super hot. I lost the word. Taking in the views is absolutely gorgeous. I'm looking at the marina where I can see the ocean. You got mountain views. You also have views to the golf course, which is pretty fantastic for those avid golfers. And you also have views towards the airport. So you can actually see flights land and take off. The unit itself is absolutely beautiful. Can't wait to show it to you. So without further ado, let's get into the video so you can see it for yourself. All right, welcome to B805 at V Marina. Walk on in. All right, as we enter, right away, you can see the quality and care that has been put towards this condo. Beautiful sculptures, the artwork, very light. Get a lot of natural light in here because of the floor to ceiling windows that retract, that gives you access to indoor, outdoor living. Let me back up a little bit so you can see. Beautiful entranceway. Right away, enter into the kitchen. Now, this has never been rented. This is, as you can see, there's very little, none actually, no wear and tear. High-end appliances. You got your gas stove. You got an oven, built-in microwave, hood. And one of the things that stands out is that not only do they have an AC unit in the kitchen area, but they also have one in the living room area. This allows for you to cool the space very quickly. What I really like is this island that allows you to take in the views. You got beautiful mountain views, as well as views towards the golf course. Absolutely incredible. So, little dining area right here. You got your living room. Let's take a look at the bedrooms. So, as I mentioned, this is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. Now, this could be a primary unit, but it's not. Just based on the views, this is one of the guest rooms. Let's take a look. Beautiful king-size bed. Like the way they decorated, absolutely gorgeous. Now you have a terrace that gives you views to the golf course. And just right over there is the airport. So you want to get in and out of PV very quickly. You're less than 5 minutes to the airport. This could be something that you could do on the weekends. It's kind of like vacation home that's like a cottage for some. So this is one of the guest bedrooms. This is the full bath. Okay, let's take a quick peek. Additional closet space. Let's see what's behind this. Okay, so your washer and dryer, they got a stackable. It's also a place where they keep their cleaning supplies. The Wi-Fi and modem is stored here as well. Looks like there's fiber to the unit, so you have very fast internet and reliable. So over here, this is the second guest room. A little bit smaller, but very nice nonetheless. Each room does have an AC unit. This window's towards the hallway. Now let's take a look at the prime Mary suite. Okay, you got your walk-in closet, a little bit of closet space over here, your dual vanity. Very nicely done. And here's the bedroom. Again, well decorated. I love the artwork on the wall, colors. You got an additional closet space over here. And views towards the golf course. Now, one thing that really stands out is that with this space, you have this very expansive terrace. All these doors retract all the way, so it'll open up. You can put additional outdoor furniture if you choose to, but the glass railings do not impede any of the views. In fact, it just makes it feels like you're floating and you get to take in all of this. This could be your everyday. Ocean's just straight ahead over here. You got the airport. Across the street is a very high-end steakhouse, Casa Prime. You got Starbucks in the corner, lots of restaurants. You're within a community that's self-contained. You essentially don't have to venture out anywhere else. You could spend your time here. Perfect for those who want to relax, rest, take in a slower pace of life. Now that we've seen everything here, actually, just before, to show you how far along this terrace extends to. This is a great space to entertain, have family, have friends over. Now that we've seen everything in this unit, let's go to the rooftop, take in the amenities up there. Well, all right, as we exit the elevator, right away, we're greeted with this awesome view. Right directly in front of us is the common area seating. Now, the great thing about it is covered, so you take advantage of this nice, wonderful breeze that you get from the ocean, which is just to my left. As you can see, this is the marina. Now, on Thursdays, depending on the time of the year that you're here, there's a farmer's market. That's something that you can enjoy. It starts around 7 p.m., but yeah, you got the marina right there. And there are several seating areas which have different vantage points that you can see different parts of the marina itself. So here's another seating area. Again, it is covered, so you don't have to be in the direct sun if you choose not to be. They do have lounge chairs with umbrellas. And right directly in front of us is the golf course. So for those that enjoy golf, it's just a matter of a few steps away. The clubhouse is just down the street. I don't know if it shows well, but it's just down the street. And then, of course, the airport's right here. So beautiful sunsets, sunrises to the east, sunsets to the west. So get used to both of those. Over here is another seated area. So there's about maybe 5 different seated areas. And of course, there are washrooms here. Now, this is a little different than most rooftops where you get a pool. There isn't a pool on the rooftop, but it makes up for the space that you have here. A lot of green areas, very peaceful, quaint. The town brings to life again. So just in about maybe a few more weeks. It looks good now, but it's gonna look even better. And on this side over here, for those that want to entertain, there's a barbecue area with ample seating. So for those grill masters, you want to take in the views as you cook on a Sunday or on the weekend. There's refrigerators where you can keep your drinks cool. Absolutely gorgeous. All right, so right here on the main floor, you have a small little restaurant with seating. Brings you to the terrace or patio where you got the pool. Now this probably one of the most unique views I've ever seen for a pool. You're directly in front of the golf course. So you get to see the golfers pretty much. The natural little lake center over there. But all in all, this is just peacefulness personified. And just towards here, the jacuzzi. Right now, the time of day, you're out of the sun, so you got some natural shade. And then, of course, you have a gym that you would also have access to. Now that concludes our tour today here at V Marina. As a quick recap, this is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath condo, which measures 188 square meters, which is roughly 2,021 square feet. The asking price is $885,000 USD. And as you saw, this is an absolutely stunner of a condo, well furnished, natural light, beautiful views. It is absolutely gorgeous. The amenities here are fantastic, especially the rooftop. You got spas, you got the gym, everything that you would need to be comfortable, enjoy your lifestyle here in PV. So if this is something that you want to see in person or virtually, contact me today. Details on screen. And until my next video, thank you for watching. Kirk Knows PV, Real Estate and Lifestyle. I'll see you soon.